Alright, guys. This is for Volmex Finance. Volmex Finance. Volmex Finance. Um, Volmex is supported by Pyth. You know Pyth, the one we did. So this is a potential airdrop. So this is the site where you'll be seeing your points. Okay. So first you need to follow and verify. So what we have to connect our Twitter accounts. First, let's follow the two accounts. Right. So follow the boat. So follow. So follow both of them. I think they are the same thing. Okay. So after following, we have to click on verify. It asks us to connect our Twitter account. Authorize with your Twitter account. Application source. Connect our wallet. Connect MetaMask. So track the indices prices. The BVIF is 46.84 and the EVIF is 47.33. Submit that. Okay, the price is no longer correct. Let's check here. Um, Copy. Open that. Let's check the prices. So Beviv current price is 47.84 and Aviv is 48. So let's put that in 47.84. 47.84. This one is 48.20. Alright. So just in case when you are doing yours, the price has changed, just visit the link and check. So now we have to go through the quiz. Um, how do you 30 days? About two. Um, D D. Alright, so we got the quiz correct. So we have to check our points. We should have about 250 points. Our points will not be much anyway. We've not done much. So right now we're going to have 250. when we do the remaining task, the points will increase. So first we're going to claim this one. We're going to claim the points. So we're going to go to N to earn more points. You get it. So now we're going to go to the faucet, okay, which is over here. So here we connect our MetaMask. We're going to get this next sheet. I have basically, I don't need that. So we're going to share the switch. Share the switch. Mm, mm, mm. Then we're going to paste in the link of the switch here. And we're going to click. Next, after claiming the faucet, we're going to be, we're going to trade. You got me. You got me, right? So it's still claiming, still loading, still doing this thing. So we have to complete a trade to get 1,000 points. To complete a trade to get 1,000 points. Okay, so they've given us the faucet. So now we're gonna come over here to enter a trade. Okay, so I'm going to connect our wallet. We connect MetaMask. Change to arbitrary Sepolia on my MetaMask. Okay, it's in Spanish. I'm going to try and change to English now. I think it detected my location. Look, I'm seeing the same thing. I'm not a citizen of the United States. It's totally in Spanish. Okay, we're going to click on deposit. Okay. Mm, okay. Deposit is over here. Let's go back to the market. This is deposit. It's in Spanish, like I said. So I'm going to deposit. I have 2,000. Let's deposit 1,000. Says my balance is 2,000. So why is it not going? The they give us 10,000 on arbitrary, 10,000 on base. That's funny. Okay. So we're going to be depositing USDT. I have 2,000 for a reason I don't know. It's not going. Okay. The aperture is giving us some issues. Let's try base goalie. Try base goalie. Um, says 2,000 here. So it's giving the same issues. Both are giving the same issues. Uh, uh, yeah, I see. I don't know. Yes, see. Okay. Alright, so I talked to them and they said we should try again later. So, let's come back to our point. It's still gonna verify. It's not going to verify anyway. So this is to track the price daily. So let's track the price. I'm trying to open back the price. So let me just copy. Let's see the price teaching. I'll just go to the site. Go to the site. So the trading we try it again later. They said it does like that sometimes. So BVI V is currently at 47.89, 7.89, and AV is currently at 48.27. Just have to do that daily to get some points. 47.89, 48.27. Alright, so that's that for today. So now we have to go and do the Gauze. So we have to go and check for have to go to the Gauze and check for points. I don't know, so Volmex is it's not everywhere. It's not everywhere. It's not something that is everywhere. So, pretty much, let's see if there's any active. Most of them have ended. We'll keep an eye on it now. Also, just few people are participating. So keep an eye on it. Uh, so Turkish, English. So they said we should try the trading later when there is space. Okay. So basically that's it for Volmex. Guys. Got more points. Got more points. And when you have your points, claim them. Just keep on gathering points and that's it.